So here I am at Camping World, waiting for my 7 a.m. appointment, and it's 8 a.m. No one's here. So I'm walking around picking up nails and bolts and screws in the parking lot. Good exercise for me and protects my tires. Checking out some of the RVs. Other folks are waiting on fixing, I guess. The door's missing from that one. That's unfortunate. I think I've cleaned up all the nails in front of my RV. I'll keep looking around for some more. I figure every nail and bolt and screw I pick up is one less that could end up in one of my tires. Looks like it might rain. That's going to be really unfortunate for that RV without a door on it. Still no signs of life. Hello, Camping World. My favorite surge protectors. This one. Bluetooth, so it keeps your phone informed of what's going on with your power, so your RV does not get fried or left without electric. Expensive but worth it. You need all of them. One of each.
Excuse me.
A huge variety. Some people say you should, some say you shouldn't. I've had my RV for a year. No pyramid of poo. Okay, so AquaChem is my favorite. It works. Keeps everything digested in there. My sensor still works. And I haven't had to deal with any pyramids. You have that for toilet. You need that for toilet paper. One of the brand name RV Marine toilet papers. Or throw your toilet paper in the trash can beside the toilet. If you're gonna flush it, make sure it's Marine toilet paper. Leveler. Save your refrigerator. Get a leveler. A cheap one, an expensive one, an electronic one. Doesn't matter. Get one. Get two. Make sure your refrigerator is level. Water pressure regulator. So that if the water pressure is too high in the park, it doesn't blow out the plumbing in your RV. Cheap. Necessary.